bawal. Itong PSD, hindi ako pinapalabas. Magsabi ko, magpunta ako na, sir, hindi pwede yan. Hindi pwede. Kulong talaga ako. Magpresidente ka, totoo lang, you are a prisoner. You are brought here, kunyari ka pa, di chopper ka, di gwardiya, patos uwi ka doon sa bahay mo. Tapos hindi ka na makalabas. Preso ka talaga. Tawagin mo ng security, yung gusto kong pumunta, sir, pasensya na. Tapos pagalitan mo, sabihin mo, sir, ang authority namin does not come from you. It comes from a law. So, kami ang masunod. Talaga. Sige ka, pero bunch of papers, if you read it hanggang umaga, trabaho ka, sweldo mo ganun lang, just give me 219,000. Tapos ganun ang trabaho. Mag-isa ko, butit ngayon, kaya nandito yung asawa ko at dito yung anak ko. Nabubuhay yung loob ko kung mag-uwi ako sa bahay ngayon. Looking forward. Today is my last State of the Nation address. But this is by no means my swan song. I shall never cease to implore Congress to pass vital and critical legislation as well as to push the entire government to ensure nothing less than the full recovery and revitalization of our country. But to do this, it is necessary for us to first overcome the crippling fear, anxiety, and uncertainty that was caused by the threat of the COVID-19 virus. Well, I really do not know what to do. I have to listen to the task force. This is a group of people volunteering to be a collective advisor or that would give you the advice collectively, we put it that way, na sila ang magsabi.